Hello YouTube, Astroman here with just some pack openings. I went to this new place that I've never gone to, but it's been there forever and I just never went. And to see what they have, and they had some stuff. They did not have the tins yet, but I'll be getting those soon. And so yeah, I just decided to get these instead of going home with nothing. So I'm just gonna get started with the we're gonna go Extreme Victory, Generation, and then Flip Pop. Hoping for a tour guide. Oh, a secret MechLord Emperor skill. First pack of the day, so pretty good. And a TGX3 rare. So not a bad first pack. Generation Force. Aurorca rare. Wow, a wind up juggler super rare. So 2 pulls. Not the best as far as I know, but I can't complain. Last Extreme Victory. Hoping for a tour guide. A rare. That's it. Last pack. Resonance device rare. Oh, a Ultra Raigeki bottle. These are all first edition packs. So definitely not bad. I got a super, an ultra, and a secret. So yeah, just hit me up if you want any of these. And peace.